Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia wore na Akomea ene ko no abokan fi eno kromo koy na omu wiye no na omu ko no Owusu na no ana between Dr. Bawumia ene na Akomea ba ko de akodi nkomo abonte ma me mate because na me papa kura so nka nkire me bo fie ofo mo so nka nkire me mo nka nkire me mate asem no ba ko de akwa wotena abontere omu ko fie ho Saturday twam ne na wochi na ye on the 11th of April 2026 na ye nwumre na omu ko ye no sa de papa mu a mo ye ni ye kuboni mbati o ko honorable Ken Ofori. Why do you have to go there unannounced? He went there unannounced. Can you hear more honorable Ken? Me pasa me ba ho oh ye nhia ha member wo chen ana me memra wo chen. And you met almost 9 p.m. And then who's obi boprumu. Obi boprumu no ma akwako bi epono. Akwako bi o Dr. Bawumia. Ana o jafo baaye. According to omumie no na omokoye na omo say enkomo no anyo omo de kwata abonto omo ka no ana me bon no. And enkomo no sa na course. Sa na course. Ana Dr. Bawumia de baba tu yaso ona boy yato abawie abade ye kwa ya bawie ne ba ko bawie ne ba ko belusu but the bigger picture the NPP ya we ne power the ebetima ye de abana ona bo ka ona bo ka hold it there baba entino o se me mama de me Boakye campaign me enya dia me make my bejia campaign platform so ene wo maye omudi matam sasabia bia mitrim abo so no ko anim faso anim nyansa chen me na me amente brofo me ba meka sa madafaka and wan faka and sabo mu kan nyina wote you never call them to order. Tamia Uku. And what Peace FM. And was saying Dr. Bawumia has made a private and personal visit to Honorable Ken. And to hear interview, hey, next vaka kwampono oye astonished. I don't want. Now me busa said I didn't know almost started almost security video. As a result of the base walk, the base lunch, they want to put up something. So and I said Honorable Ken called the base for any day. Say only Dr. Bawumia MP before this message. Now the new party Amanyukunu. They say Amanyukunu Agu and things are unfolding. Things are falling apart. I'm an NPP MPs. Yeah, maso. I will create. Now the base movement Ghana. A movement ya. Yeah, Babette Ghana. I Ghana ye mabunya Jumaye. Ghana for more requested to join the base. Ghana for more fair forms. I'm a new patriotic party at Mayakuno and better for Thomas. I don't know. I know Marco what Nas Asate Committee Marco 7. Obia find a working plan. Emra. Quite fast a good base. No, Net2 TV.
But Dr. Bawumia has been doing a lot. Chairman, I can confirm to you, sir, we're making personal and private visits.
Personal and private?
We're making personal and private visits. Akosranina Kennedy Agyapong.
Really?
Yeah.
Sammy Uku. And what Peace FM. And was saying Dr. Bawumia has made a private and personal visit to Honorable Ken. And to hear interview, hey, next vaka kwampono oye astonished. I don't want. Now me busa said I didn't know almost started almost security video. As a result of the base walk, the base lunch, they want to put up something. So and I said Honorable Ken called the base for any day. Say only Dr. Bawumia MP before this message. I can't turn up bro. Naked the debate fire in the heart. Now I know the MP before so who said, yeah, but the man who has the numbers on the street, Honorable Ken, they cannot win the election without Kennedy Agyapong. Then what can we do? Disrupt the base for. I know my question and Kojo almost here counter base. I want to inform. I almost say almost second this video. Why was this a private meeting? I said a private meeting. I didn't know from all this guy was said. I call the base. Someone will be on Kobo free. They just want to divert an attention. Dr. Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia. What in Akomea and a call Honorable Ken Ofori and a chromo coin. Now, no Owusu. Oh, call Honorable Ken Ofori. Why do you have to go there unannounced? He went there unannounced. Can you hear more Honorable Ken? Me pasa me ba oh ye nhia member wo chen ana me memra wo chen. And you met almost 9 p.m. and then who's be boprumu. Dr. Bawumia de baba tu yaso Honorable. Yato abawie abade ye kwa ya bawie ne ba ko belusu. But the bigger picture the NPP ya we ne power the ebetima ye de abana. Honorable Ken hold it there. hold it there aba entino o se me mama de me meboa campaign me enya dia me make ma begina campaign platform so ene wo maye omudi matam sese bia bia mitrim abo so no ko anim faso anim nyansa chen me na me amente brofo me ba meka sa madafaka wan faka and sabo mu kan nya wote you never call them to order. Dr. Bawumia born na mani we kan chen say we cannot campaign on a campaign platform so ma wonem boys na mo ka madafaka utrimu abie abo so nim faso chen no ye wie ya mo nkwa na Akomea say na ana abo me se mo asem kan adaya me pese me ko contest at first vice and they can make you a blessing and ono say ono abusa say hey na get say wuntumi ba be o chairman na Akomea ede ne certificate trimu ana so pie ento mu pie na get say o manim nya fefe enti wote say omo ko no abu ken fi ayi rokro na Akomea and Dr. Bawumia they made unannounced visit but omo ko en so omo ti omo sumu sound a base movement Ghana first omo amanyokuo headquarters I wo enkan tesano ye kokod pa hontoma eche Ghana for say aboa sasafa de a wo de che na we de afa de pa e wo se Ghana fo nyina ebesumu na enu na work ni course edom e baye e man for discuss e common e course no yankwa hia Peace FM tape bi a Sammy awuku akwa Peace FM wo kan se mo say Dr. Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia Franka Kennedy the new patriotic party 2028 I make it personal and private visit to Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Abusuafo I no kura say Dr. Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia I make it personal and private visit to Honorable Ken ana enye no kura na say no kura omo koye no e dia ne ko support ya Dr. Bawumia opie ya no wokọ anu woti ni suo eko na the new patriotic party amanyekuo no sesi amanyekuo no agu and things are unfolding, things are falling apart ama na NPP MPs ye masom ewa kurase ene NPP MPs anu dompremo ene o mawaka omuni adwumaye ana omonam ana omo masom koduru a we ye body o na aro tam na eto se mama tam na eto se we ye banche we ye buro we ye dokuno we ye meko I said the omo ye no na MPP ni se ano approtect na the base movement Ghana eye movement ya ye ba be Ghana aye Ghana ye ma mabunu nya adwuma ye na nipa ba ko ye ni dara nim how he's being linked to the base ama ade cha ade sa no the base enya new members eye honorable Kennedy Agyapong na the base ni ba ye in less than 3 months ni no impact ya make Ghana for more request to join the base Ghana for more fair forms no ama the new patriotic party man yakono mbere for to so adon ehu ana o makwa tena asset committee mako 7 obi afa the working plan emra kwa fa so e be good the base na omo ya na to ate ana omo dia zugu so omo ya masom anam nkurase ene omo so omo ye koko enti omo ya akodu bole ane de omo se omo ton mo ana MP no aso mumu ana mu we ni eto ne 10 series ene eto no 5 series ana omo de na everyone the base movement Ghana 20th of April 2026 ana omo yes omo launch party of the man for so that be yemfa bonte na ya man for hu se ho na hwe no nipa dom o mu fra chirichiri eni pinche mu ba ye nipa mbo atwi free be man e ba ya minia na kese aginsem na NPP amayeko ne tena ho na no me so mato ade bi e da fa abontere na Sammy awuku ekotena Peace FM e ka asem bi me pese wutie Sammy awuku interview no me ba yese enkanche obi wo hoyi e ho adansefo eye aduosonson menko video ni mra.
But Dr. Bawumia has been doing a lot. Chairman, I can confirm to you, sir, we're making personal and private visits.
Personal and private?
We're making personal and private visits. Akosha Kennedy Agyapong.
Really?
Yeah. And in a dinkomo kama otchere as the say Yato Abewie to say the enterprise NPP no how are you beating me so no akaye ho abom at the party no so akweni now uchemu echere yemu or say he left the meeting very satisfied say ninua no will genuinely also support him. Or see, he has no reason to doubt. Because I say, and you say, unze, okona the cameras in the edidi wechia. Obi can think, say, be our bad just for the photo opportunity. But we all call himself.
Phobia
and apart from Nipa Bako, our can,
okay,
and a bodyguard. Okoko di nkomo, nini nuane twetwe nkomo yie. Nini nuane so dana se se wahye ne nyonyam di bu so amano aba abechia no. Na omumienu na so no believe say the NPP is a better alternative to nia iwom. Yira Bawumia wiye no anche osan so no eko eye ninua Kwabena Agyapong so ho. And also another private visit. And then ekodi nkomo asenuanom the otchere upon old time sake and then campaign mun komo and how I say yin na no mu wie no or so no so babechia da o masese e kono de ya first one wie but near die nim ne so. They spent quite a lengthy time discussing the future of the party and how our supporters also can come on board the same as on the Kennedy Agyapong on common. Now, so no, I can also confirm to you, say, Osanso Kosra Ninia, Dr. Yao say Bichum.
Okay.
So any din komo. Say no, dini diema Ken, dini diema Kwabena Agyapong, Dr. Bichum so bon komo, etwetwen komo kwekye. It discusses the future of the party and how are the supporters of all of them no. Ono Bawumia says, Wababe Dano no, Obatampa Oni na subeye juma abwa ama party no so sweti mejina ne na so na lastly owie no kwasra ninua Dr. Brian Champon nti Brian so ne di nkomo e discuss party so nhye any party kanko chairman of this instruction by somewhere last week na owie no so he's also now taking time or they strategize the next steps of his engagement, both within the party and outside the party. In these few weeks at Dayanim, you won't be seeing him say, oh yeah, open Nema. But behind the scenes, he's engaging serious stakeholders, elders of the party, former contenders, and the party in penny form can be a woman.
Now, I didn't know any private and personal. I'm taking from your words.
Yes, private and personal because Chairman said, me be round them not to me the cameras near the bar and commoni bo almost so.
Yes.
On me adwin.
Me too.
Inti ne bi wo hono zna me ne wa ba ye kan ntem asem. Bibi wo hono me ebi e wo makoma mu a me ka kirew. Oso no wa koma mu a be ka kire me wi a ye na so to again on the next step. So that's why many of his engagements now no or you know behind the scenes. But when I no the party itself a reorganization. Party no reorganization and I mean okay say ye be more ye say forms say polling station forms say ade no the various constituencies in the party no bit me amayensa kwakokane ade. The party after polling station be electoral area after electoral area be constituency be region be national. So whereas a party no go through on one social processes no the flag bearer too is not going to be sleeping. Or be many of the engagement. Chairman, elections are require more of strategy. Any money be a year 2024, no, any nani be 20 year going to 2028.
Good. Abushafo, that is Sammy Oku. In fact, Oya Boakye Forson ko edema Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. Or Sammy Reshebe Jenny. And what Peace FM. And was saying Dr. Bawumia has made a private and personal visit to Honorable Ken. And 2 year interview, Sivaka say, hey, na Sivaka kwampo oye astonished. I don't want. Now, me busa said, I didn't know now almost started almost security video. As a result of the base work, the base launch, they want to put up something. So, and I say, Honorable Ken call the base for any day. Say, only Dr. Bawumia MP before this message. We are a member of the base here. And shaky, and mohun. Honorable Ken ojina baby ojina the base so I'm making an advancement akaka krebi ni awin Honorable Ken heart because the base lobby Honorable Ken and the MPP so lobby Honorable Ken but the base you catch Honorable Ken say so be lead the base ya your chance of becoming the president in 2028 is high. Because Ghana force bra already the base you buy the 3 months no you are raising the people 2.5 and by 2028 no you are raising the people 7 million. And now oba be leadi abe Ghana man penia. Una oba be factories a control man no. Ema Ghana mabunu anya adwumaye. Also person biti Kwame Nkrumah record. This is a clear opportunity. And the MP before to come catch honorable Ken say, but another campaign Emma Dr. Bawumia of which I you 2028 no. And yet possible say MP Dr. Bawumia power. And almost as so oba we are Dr. Bawumia more appointment. But you catch honorable Ken say, one now be appointment and so be appointment mobi. E mu dia na say offer. Wo kwa campaign ma MPP. Woni omo say sebi ya bia wutrim omo say aboso ni mfaso chan omo say oya motherfucker wan no omo na no go campaign platforms na mo ba the base dia ye ne ye the base ye bu ye chare so ye ma ya no nkese ntia Ghana fo nyina bu enti ama onob Ken akato na bro na get the base far in the heart na I don't know MP before so we said yeah, but the man who has the numbers on the street, Honorable Ken, they cannot win the election without Kennedy Agyapong. Then what can we do to disrupt the base for? And no question Kojo say almost here counter base. I want to inform. And almost say this video. Now area city there. Most say a personal and private. So in the first place, I don't think it's me to a personal and private. Near pictures of Abontere. Yet to about November 4th, 2023. No, you said Dr. Bawumia called Honorable Ken on the pictures on the Babontin. Why was this a private meeting? Now, say a private meeting. I didn't think after more discussion was him. I believe I call the base. Someone will be on common fever. They just want to divert an attention. After the facts and figures in the media, you assume Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. What in an Akomea and a call Honorable Ken and a chromo coin. Now, no more kono musu. Now, no, and between Dr. Bawumia and an Akomea. But I could have come about Mate because now me papa cross on country. Me both feel from someone country me, Moon country me Matia Samuel. But I could have called Bontere. Almost call fear Saturday, Germany now watching. Now you're on the 11th of April 2026. Now you're numere. Now omukwa ya no. Say the papa mua. Mu ye ni ye kuboni mbati. O call Honorable Ken. Why do you have to go there unannounced? He went there unannounced. Can you hear more? Oh, Honorable Ken. Me pasa me ba oh ye nshia ha. Member wo chen ana me memra wo chen. And you met almost 9 p.m. And then who's obi boprumu. Obi boprumu normal. Akwako be a prono. Akwako be a so. Dr. Bawumia. And I will for buy. According to Omumia no now, Mokoya now say, and Comono and your Mutam without double to Mokano, and I may bono. And then Comono Sana Corso. Sana Corso. And Dr. Bawumia the Baba 2 years old, on our boy, Yatua Baby, Abadi acquire, Yabaru in it. Bakuba win Bakuba Lusu, but the bigger picture of the MPP, you win the power, the Betima Yadabana, on our calculator, hold it there, Baba. And you know, also me Boakye campaign, me, and ya dear me make my campaign platform so, and no my omudi matam, Sasabia beer mitrim, a boss no calling fast watch, and him yansa chame. Na me amente bravo me ba meka sa motherfucker and one fucker and some of can you you never call them to order. But okay I say yeah call earlier context make November 4 2023 Kwaku Annan e make comments be against you and mama suspended no and two packet the course want na amanyokuo de nya sa na ye amanyokuo say ye be wie na ye be hia ye ho a me na me say me weni a me hia. So I never allow any of my subordinates to go on radio and insult me try we so can say Dr. Bawumia na food ani enya atemdie Dr. Bawumia or the dollar call on board number enya atemdie but to open my mouth and say Dr. Bawumia sabi ya be any trim aboso sa sem no e unpardonable and honorable Ken Dr. Bawumia said me no I cannot come and campaign on a campaign platform nemom me nya de and undermine o campaign and then Baku Eddie Batu just said uti asaba no bu Ken kai ndia ade na anya ye na sabi oh so wo ma campaign ma me na anya de so undermine me campaign na the base no so gentle Hannah is linking with you and now go just the base campaign platform so say me obet ma to chance ndia aba na busuafo e wiase so nipa mezi so nipa na ja saman na nana bi o wankra wa ha nana bi o wankra Dr. Bawumia ko na Akomea ko ye no de o mo ba bonto o mo ka me so me ka bi a kire no Dr. Bawumia bo na mani ewe e ka kire ne say we cannot campaign on a campaign platform so ma wonem boys na o mo ka madafaka utiri mu abie aboso ni mfaso kire no ewie ya o mo kwa na Akomea say na ana abo me se mo asem ka adaya me pese me ko contest at first vice and they can make here a blessing and ono answer ono abusa say hey na get say wuntumi ba be o chairman na Akomea eden insecurity mu an sorry pie and to mu pie na get say o manim nya fefe ana get say ade a mo de ko horo anya fufu ana o sorry ti pa o mo koye and o ba ko ede akwadi nkomo abontema me sha will sisi mate and you would say omu ko no abu ken fi ayro kro na Akomea and Dr. Bawumia they made unannounced visit but omu ko en so omu ti omasum sound omu ti omasum sound catch omu pain some meeting must a private meeting and omu da ba really so mo discuss say mo ko e Ken show the commitment to campaign for Bawumia na mo be ka e the base members say and yes, so more than quitting command and to a member of the base party, Mesro Kennedy Agyapong has not made in advancement with NPP. He has not agreed, sir, or no more campaign platform. So, and in some of now, Bonto can a the base work on a year, Papano, and Unti, and Omodia New War, a person more diverse tactics, Omokas Asem, and of course, call a unannounced visit, and Dr. Bawumia Koye. Now the papa mo ko Kennedy Agyapong, why do you have to go unannounced? Enti the woman no. Twins and Danny. Twins sign. Honorable Ken, me say MP before make an advancement, so make an advancement. And here there is about 99%. MP before mo ko sama kwa hoje mutu. Enti abusia for me din the Shaibu la sisi. Tisa what say so ana Dr. Bawumia, a Kennedy Agyapong fie ama Ken Ajedi so be campaign ama na oboa. Anya no kre bibia sa anko so o make an announcement visit na sabi honorable Ken o nipa wo a wo hwe me ne ametie se me ko bo no Ken prumu na se obiere se me a ompa me obebusa amane obo amane no so be kan de obeka emwa o de beboa de o be kan akire ti that is it ti bibia nsan the base no mon koso an register mon koso an join na nyame bo 2028 we have a presidential candidate Ghana for penalty.
Afena musu MP before. Afena mu ko obi obey campaign amamo. Ama Bawumia be president. Awurade Nyankopon. Ensi. Phobia me say ensi ye uye 21st century. Ensi wo ye penso. Ensi ya mani ensi. Bawumia me president wa Ghana no ni mu ankaresra pro Bawumia nyansa be na Bawumia nim also 20 be president our my Ghana Bawumia Kennedy kura mo so onye presidential material Kennedy kura wode na adwen ni nyansa aye sikani aye odefo mo so won sem fata na Bawumia Ghana for yesika any idea tianeka amwase abewia yesika onfa nkoye nsuo amani krom for mo ne mwa na anum nsuo nya binom no baye no eno kura no mose mo pe no woye nipa me see yesum na wu Kennedy Agyapong ye basum no ye de no onhweme me hu ne da phobia Matina no kasa, Matina asem. Na so me se mesom no. Se Bawumia Jimmy we kura mutu mesom na. Kennedy, I was here that money tia so for nempa. Na me se atem didie be ma Bawumia atem didie to me ma obi president of Ghana. Bawumia da win election 2028. Because ye be din atem bi papa. Kennedy Agyapong, ye debate Bawumia tem bisek Bawumia so Jimmy. And somewhere back for Bawumia on. Me say public discourse behind what Bawumia bet me a trinity abekabi. Ye be kunu hufi. Me say bet tia techepa ye Bawumia ho. Ye be mana hu say won ka ho. Woye slave, woye donko no mo ka chena na yerenti ase no. Afeni abeka na kese. Sani papa no otumfo wabodam ya bet friend ase 2028 Bawumia obwa phobia onya na adwen and obia ni wo NPP mu a obetumi de Bawumia ye president apart from Kennedy Agyapong ono na di Kufuor be ye president 2000 enti na Kufuor sesa contract man no ohunyansa adwen ahoden a Kennedy Agyapong ade bua na mane be president na nipa we musuro no nipa wo no tumi si aban etu aban gu nyamo na mo se ono na ma NPP ko opposition no obi otumi de mo ba aban mu no obi otumi de mo ko opposition no musuro no abronye na nkodi na tem NPP fo agimi papa NPP fo nyansani nim ene NPP wo ho no anyansafo na sa Nyansani ba kukura ni wa owo NPP na ebeboa amadi omo pe omo no ya boa omo amomo aye omo sa go Bible kura me ati ase buo ba kwase a wona gimisemo na amana hu se we nyansani ya jeja omo ne namfem political party the members of parliament etumi kwatra from kwasiafo eni akoto abama omo NPP for the NPP me say omo pa omo kopa Kennedy Agyapong acho no omo anka chense papa ye Agyarko the base yes sir me say a bear calamity say Bawumia be president of Ghana Bawumia ni DNA Jimmy bata hon ono na okobo no ban Bawumia na Bawumia dia brabo pa impact be na Bawumia anya wo nipa brabo so wo Ghana ho me pese me hu na Bawumia kura mo se mo som no na obi a wa bi enuma afa nipa more than 5,000 otua wo moka Kennedy Agyapong 2016 Matosa omo commanding NPP national elections ewa Asante ballot boxes Kennedy Agyapong etua omo nyina aka ono na fa omo so omo nya sa adwuma ne ma NPP party na wonim atoda na woka NPP fo asemafobia obi be fi sa wotan omo and credit e ba ko me de asesi a metan omo me time NPP for papa phobia because panimfo kra me ati ase say die oswa okohwe wuo no phobia yensoa no nko die oswa akohwe nkwa no yensoa sa nipa kro no nkohwe wuo enkore me se Kennedy Agyapong obia ni NPP mu a osumbo wabo bra power NPP party num aboa party ni chen sa papa no sa papa no And then Sammy Wuku nam to schools across 16 regions. Free Sammy Wuku ya uwo. Semia Juma wan kasa wa yama wo. Also utimineska. Eto school. Ba ko pekra treme. Ukompene way. And now yon kwode na hoden. Odini sika. Odini nyansa. Abe bobra pa. Ama NPP media sonso. O sorry anamo se nkolachi say ye ninatem. And NPP for phobia. Panini for free muno. Yenim say kaka Akufo Addo ne Kennedy Agyapong. Ba Akufo Addo atone conscience ama Bawumia. And wa be dane simpa pani e wo party no. Ti Kennedy free mu a panini phobia. Na se pani wo mu a ye see the penny to wa ohunu no akola gina dua so kura wo hu. So nam sem penimfo ni party num se senti no phobia omu hu akire. Apana okasa ye no opoma. Osi nipa NPP Kennedy Agyapong kura mu 45%. Phobia mesi ebukura.
Sa
Phobia Kennedy na wana wo NPP party mu a wo so wo chance papa no omra no me challenge no
nobody
na NPP no phobia paninim ya to abama Kennedy Agyapong ay president da
Gabby
Isaac Asiama sawni no
former sports minister
na Akufo Addo first term no sports minister Kennedy Agyapong na dine koma Akufo Addo no ka tell say o man say ministerial position what the man Kennedy Agyapong na pray minister for education aman NAPO adutum Kennedy Agyapong na pray deputy minister aman how akumsen Ministry for Fisheries Kennedy Agyapong na mayor boman Asanyo Markins majority leader Kennedy na mayor Gyamfi was chairman sabonsun sam any adema Asanyo Markins Henry Kote no ye interior deputy minister deputy minister for interior phobia Kennedy Agyapong ni twotro mu chono no any amana dema no phobia Anthony Kabo anya wono na so Kennedy Agyapong sa eko ni kromie kosi no hene
enukure
na Bawumia o den ya se obo brapa o ware wo namfofo ma obo brapa ntino oswa no free asendom eko srem emine ekosi ni hene e tro brapa papa na bo NPP party ane Ghana manum phobia
yey
unim ya kanda pa
kanda pa minimum pa
national security minister 2008 NPP national elections call runoff no Kennedy Agyapong no friend no ano ka kire ne say security are breaking and to organize security na Bawumia ni ho
no
na Bawumia anya running mate na Akufo anya president dia ben na baba ye be free Kennedy Agyapong say security are breaking and to organize security government in power our commanding military or commanding police or commanding immigration or commanding fire service Kennedy Agyapong single-handedly and your friend say organize security then a catch all NPP for nyansani nimphobia aba catch all musa de tie obia moya ko homa phobia de bedie eni obia nsem yempe position bia o Ghana ho krom ha sika nya ne yenya no kwa the best says ka ama NPP at no position phobia woni Wyoming
me kana some patema
atamos
from the time
asset committee so omunhwehwe ne nsemu so abo Ghana krono a Kennedy Agyapong and the brokers are deal no Ojisika 54 million Ghana cedi at the Mawama Ghana. Kennedy Agyapong.
I don't know.
Ibrahim Mahama will issue checks. 14 solid checks. And I will issue checks in say Kennedy Agyapong taking on. So I tell no president's brother. Kennedy Agyapong taking on. Ama papa no betua scanning in Adema or my Ghana. That's all was our papa we were busiamwa. O was our nimonyamfo we were busiamwa. O was our hinu we were party moi ya mwana ho ban. Bawumia ni DNA Jimmy Batahon or no na okobo no ban. Bawumia na Bawumia dia brabo pa impact be na Bawumia anya wo nipa brabo so wo Ghana ho me pese me hu me pese me hu na Bawumia kura mo se mo som no na obi a wa bi enuma afa nipa more than 5,000 otua wo moka. Kennedy Agyapong 2016 matches omo command NPP national elections Asante ballot boxes. Kennedy Agyapong etua wo nyina aka ono na fa wo mo so wo nya sa adwuma ne ma NPP party. First nanke beto aba NDC for dia ne say ye training crofom be fa ballot box. Ujina wa near the motto abe fa ballot box near ko Kennedy Agyapong 2016 yan fa ballot box ba ko kura wa Asante na MPP for me say yan ntwe omo aso Nyankopon be twe omo aso MPP eni kwa say Ghana for mabunu ya hwema MPP ba power biem omo ye bonua for na papa we ya phobia me reading the credentials ono kura MPP for say wa bodam MPP for say abo was no animunyansa sen no ode na chita for MPP how akum say dina ho aka Kennedy Agyapong ne yiranim ani KT Hammond anim say wo bodam a metro say ma bodam town how akum say no otchere de o JSS ene Kennedy nti ubenya minister ediye wo how akum say Kasua Kennedy Agyapong na ma wene MPship our Kasua MPP for phobia na dey bone be na Ghana for yaye yenko pa adwuma man krofo papa na san krofo no emebu ya jimi for adan adi adwuma na MPP mranti aye apart from law certificate na ekura wo mo no die ba adwuma no mo aya o matumi anya skasa nipa ba ko pe Kennedy Agyapong a resource mo ene de mo di betua ne kani Nyankopon me tu obetua MPP foka phobia Anas Aremeyaw Anas first nearby be IGP ono na run last interview as an appointee IGP Kennedy Agyapong say we are corrupt me break you institution single man or to break you Anas the whole Ghana government to cross Anas the whole Ghana government in power is Anas nipa ba ko pe Kennedy Agyapong a break Anas kingdom our Ghana sa coffee mafias no a coffee shop mafias no Kennedy Agyapong atumi a break you omo
who watches the watchman.
Or the who watches the watchman, a break is Anas and then the kingdom. Na mo papa we wo party mo say yempe o ye be dinner time ye be vilify no ye be kan se fie gu no ye be ma Ghana fo hu say wo ye bodani but you say ubekum aboa tromo awie no adware sasadro de enka Ghana man nante ne koku ase Na amabunu no minua phobia me yababunu. Enti da bia me kasa kire minua no mabunu. Mo anyankopon mo mo mamunya kwanturo mo ani mo nyam ne bi no. Yo, mo dia ne Kennedy Agyapong. Ono na amamo hu se wodwen mo ho. Ono na amamo hu se eto dia obeba abegye mo. Ene yare ahodo a ebi si Ghana da ena ekoso Ghana because of Chema Wontumi galamsey a why free 2017 abesi ene. Kennedy nkwana betumi stop galamsey e Ghana. Kennedy nkwa ene betumi stop corruption e Ghana. Kennedy nkwa na abue na no akasa ontiasie da si ekobobosia ade betu adwumafo ka adwumayefo ka o my Ghana ontiasie o my ani ntu oil ni e wotema oil refinery na yasa asie tu oil ni e de crude no kwa ma no ne no ma refine de abreye o Ghana omo ya wudifo omo ya kronfo omo ya bayifo. Say no to them. Na ya mo ya ma na wo ban na omai bia japade ne ne mabunu. Human capital no phobia ya mabunu. Endi se wunya oman panimfo na omo nwe omo mabunu a mabunu no mo mfa mo sabren mo nsam na mo konye mo daate. Sekanda pa to me se pajamas ebe gina o dada na wo kire oba besia one wo babunu no Hano wase onya sa oba besia no dada na ho kire no. A word to a wise is enough. Mo fa mo sabran mo nsam na mo join base no na Kennedy amaje power mamo. Afobia mrebi make asemi kire o. Opoma aka. Me say yenya combination of Kennedy Agyapong. Any Alanchramantia. Me say about dragging election no to second round. National election. Say the best I win election about second round. Apart from say you good NPP party no, me say you be making sure say the best one out of the three and the best your president our Ghana ho. Say Kennedy so open my ye. Say Kennedy so green the mabunu. So what you Kennedy say? On by Ghana dana kuma suntina obra NPP nya option. Onya omotidie. Omwa say ombe guna nimu ase. Mi wura no mentumi ntunofo. Na mom me trama adwatre no. Sammy wuku ka asembi. Na na okotena asempa na oka. Osi aye ne de. Say Bawumia win 2024 election. Nyasa nko the positions ba man atamfo. Kennedy unti no mo ka sa. Aye untia. Sa atamfo na no mo ka no. Aye unti. Ana o mo ka sa Sammy wuku ka Utinam na ye okoye campaign ma o Bawumia yarefo we be ebenya power me se wo be wu ansa na Bawumia 4 years aso ombe kun ombe se da tete wa ma wu ombe gu nyuma Akufo Addo wo ankasa wo Kennedy Agyapong abo modern se obe secure Asante region elections Asante region ballot boxes Asante regions electors Asante region voters amana be the president kra wan for wan nyahwe na boku afense boku na Bawumia den odo be wan kasa to muto kra pound na we yesi ensuo afa okramo wo se neche na Akufo Addo kra mfo anyahwe Bawumia na do be den me se be case maker bra na yedi ano yen hwe animonyam na papa so pa ngoma so phobia nya nanim na yani do ni yiem mem na prebibia o Ghana ho de nyankopon aye me no phobia me se atua me kana me de ko Ghana skamu a cha mahama apart from say obewia nya bia cha ne busumi bia me dia kakua say Ghana president me ho to me nyame ahyira me menwe me wunna kura nyankopon ayemiye ba no kura ya no kura NPP deserve say ye bebo omo akiri doma omo aba power biem omo ye omo phobia me so omo mu ade simple put.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.